Flat cake? Cookies that spread too much? We've all been there. Today, I'll show you the most common baking mistakes and how to fix them for perfect results every time. Overmixing develops too much gluten, making cakes dense and tough. Instead, mix until just combined. Baking at the wrong temperature can cause burnt outsides and raw insides. Always preheat and use an oven thermometer for accuracy. Guessing your measurements is a recipe for disaster. Use a scale or proper measuring cups for consistency. Opening the oven door before the cake sets lets heat escape, causing it to sink. Only check after 2/3 of the baking time has passed. Old baking powder or soda loses its power, giving you flat, dense bakes. Replace every 6 to 12 months. Rushing to cut into baked goods before cooling can ruin the texture. Let them rest so they set properly. Now you know the mistakes to avoid. You're ready to bake like a pro. Next time, we'll bake our first bread together. Like always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons.